Join me as I challenge myself to find the cheapest and most effective ways to exfoliate my entire body. No fancy products allowed. Exfoliating your body is one of the most neglected yet crucial steps in maintaining smooth and healthy skin. It's essential to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and even out your skin tone. But we often overlook this crucial step, and our skin suffers because of it. When it comes to exfoliating, many of us face a common problem: it can be expensive. We're bombarded with pricey products and spa treatments that promise to give us silky smooth skin, but often, they just leave a dent in our wallets. And even when we do find an affordable option, it's hard to know which method is right for us. Do we go for a physical exfoliant like a scrub or a chemical exfoliant like a peel? And what about all the different ingredients and products on the market? Another challenge is finding the right technique. Do we exfoliate in circular motions or upward strokes? And how often should we exfoliate? It's overwhelming, and often, we just give up and stick to our usual skincare routine, leaving our skin to suffer. But what if I told you there's a way to exfoliate your entire body without breaking the bank? And what if I told you that you can do it with ingredients you probably already have at home? One of the most effective and inexpensive ways to exfoliate is with homemade scrubs. You can make a sugar scrub with just sugar and olive oil, or a salt scrub with salt and coconut oil. And the best part? You can customize it to your skin type. If you have dry skin, add some moisturizing ingredients like honey or avocado oil. If you have oily skin, add some tea tree oil to help control acne. Another natural alternative is using a konjac sponge. These gentle exfoliators are made from plant fibers and can be used with or without cleanser. They're perfect for sensitive skin, and they're only a few dollars. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try a coffee scrub. The caffeine helps to stimulate blood flow and reduce cellulite, leaving your skin looking smooth and healthy. But today, I want to share with you my favorite exfoliation technique that's both effective and easy on the wallet. It's a DIY sugar scrub using lemon juice and olive oil. The acidity in the lemon juice helps to break down dead skin cells, while the olive oil moisturizes and nourishes your skin. And the best part? You can make it for under $5. To make this scrub, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients together until you get a smooth paste, and then use it on your skin in circular motions. Make sure to rinse your skin thoroughly and moisturize afterward. In terms of exfoliation techniques, I always recommend exfoliating in the shower, when your skin is warm and soft. Use a gentle massaging motion to work the scrub into your skin, focusing on areas like elbows, knees, and heels. And remember to be gentle. Exfoliating should never hurt or leave your skin feeling raw. In summary, exfoliating your body doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little creativity and some inexpensive ingredients, you can achieve smooth and healthy skin. From homemade scrubs to natural alternatives, there are so many options out there for you to try. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with exfoliation in the comments below. If you have any favorite DIY scrubs or techniques, share them with me. And if you want to check out more skincare videos, I've got a whole playlist dedicated to it, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.